got the GAN 460. I meant to make this video like 2 days ago, but I got distracted. Perks of ADHD, whatever. Anyway, I got the GAN 460. We're going to sit down. We're going to do an unboxing video. Let's dive on into it. I don't want to keep you waiting any longer. Let's do first turns or second turns, whatever. But yeah, anyway. Okay, here is the GAN 460, the illustrious, the elusive. Are they the right words? I have no idea. But anyway, this is it. It's here. The version 2 of... We shouldn't have really needed a version 2. The V1 should have just blown us out the water. But no, the V1 was an absolute flop. Hopefully, GAN, you've redeemed yourself with the V2. There's been mixed reports out of the box. I've heard it's very sandy, very sort of blur, not very wowing, but once set up, it's very good. So I'm going to say it's adequate out of the box, and then when you get going, it's a little bit better. I think that's a good way to put it. And this is number 7798. If you can beat 7798, let me know. Let me know in the comments. I want to know what you've got. I think we were one of the first to get it in stock. I don't know how many, I don't know if like Cubicle and Speedcube Shop. When we received it, I noticed that nobody else had them in stock. Not Cubicle, Speedcube Shop or anybody. I don't know if that's changed at the date of recording, so it's now the 5th of June. So I will have a little look. I'll have a little check after I've made the video. But yeah, 7798. Oh, blimey. Okay, it was already open. Let's just pop all that to the side. And here we have the GAN 460 V2, not the V1, don't get confused, because that thing was absolutely terrible. I think GAN knew it was a bit of a flop, and they needed to really redeem themselves when it came to this one, this bad boy. It's UV coated, as you can see, which really does, I don't know, it makes the puzzle look so clean. Like, look at that. Apart from the fingerprints, but it's annoying, like when you touch it, as soon as you touch it, you get the fingerprints. Look at that red side, that is like pristine. Beautiful. Hopefully they release a blank logo. Okay, so first turns, let's take a little look. Do a nice little T-perm, my favourite perm. Okay, so it's a, you know what, it feels quite solid. It feels, okay, I mean, I'm gonna probably give it, based on, I don't know. Oh, obviously anything is gonna be an upgrade based on the, oh, what have I done? Blimey. A little bit catchy, does feel a little bit catchy. But nothing, you know, I mean, it is completely out of the box. It probably is quite dry. In fact, is it even lubed? Okay, it doesn't feel like there's any lube in there at all. Maybe there is, but I just can't feel it. Maybe my hands are quite, I don't know, maybe my hands are, no, my hands are fine. Oh, maybe I can see a little bit of lube there, but I don't really like the GAN lube. I'd rather lube this with, well, you know, one of ours. Probably, I don't know, maybe Dash or something, just give it something, a little bit of slipperiness. I mean, overall, not bad. Definitely better than the original. Oh, well, obviously, without a shadow of a doubt. People have got mixed emotions about it, but it feels stable. It feels, I'm confident that it's not going to pop. Can I, like, I can't even easily pull a piece out. Some 4x4s you get, like the VIN out of the box, you can just go like this and a piece just pulls out. So yeah, it's already a little bit more stable than the VIN. Have I got a screwdriver to hand? I don't have a screwdriver to hand, that's annoying. Can I actually get a piece out? Oops. Oh, blimey, okay. All right, okay, so we've got little magnets in the bottom of the wings. Okay, so I can't really get to it. It is quite tight, everything is quite stable, but you can see there we've got a magnet at the bottom, which is gonna do something, probably make it more stable, hold it together, which is always good when you're doing a 4x4. Hopefully that'll help with the anti-pop. I can't imagine this actually popping because I can't get this bloody thing apart. Jesus. Oh my God, I can't even get that back in there. I'm definitely gonna break this. Wow, okay. Okay, if you're worried about this thing popping, this is not gonna pop. This is nuts. Oops, what have I done? Oh, crikey, it's all going wrong. Whoa. Okay, might have to end the video because I can't get it back together. And I don't think I've got a screwdriver anywhere to hand, which is really bad. Oh, there we go, okay. In fact, there's probably a screwdriver in the, what's in the box? Let's have a little look. Ooh, let's open it at the other end. Okay, what's in the box? No screwdriver! The one time I need a screwdriver. I got a solution pamphlet, which probably doesn't help much. And you've got a pamphlet, no screwdriver. GAN, what are you playing at? Everything has a screwdriver these days, everything. Okay, so overall, very, very good. I can solve a 4x4, but mind you, there's like 2 parity cases I need to catch up on. I used to be really good at 4x4, little fact about me. So I started cubing when I was probably about 8, and it was more fun. It was just at my grand's house, I was cubing and whatnot. And 4x4 was my second favourite over squan, which is really weird. And I used to be able to solve a squan, I wouldn't say relatively quick, but it wasn't slow. Well, I didn't think it was slow for like, you know, 8 years old back in like 2000 and whatever. But yeah, anyway, 4x4 was my second favourite, and I used to be really good, really, really good at 4x4. Bearing in mind it was Rubik's brand, I wish we had even a GAN 460 V1 would have been good back then. But yeah, so GAN 460, probably rate it based on the original that was like a 1 out of 10. This is going to be probably an 8 out of 10. But based on what's already out there, based on the Moyu Aosu, I don't really know what I'd prefer. Probably prefer the size of this. Is the Moyu Aosu a little bit smaller? This is 60mm. So I think, I don't know, I do like the size of this. I do like how this turns, and I don't think this is going to pop. Like, I think I can do pretty much whatever I want and it's just going to break rather than pop. Don't know if that's a good thing. Probably a good thing for the shops, not a very good thing for the customers. But yeah, I can imagine this is just going to break rather than pop. If you do have this pop, then I don't know, please let me know in the comments below, because I want to know exactly what you did. Did you loosen it? Was it like this tension? I can't imagine this ever popping. I don't know what I would have to do. If I threw this on the ground as hard as I could, I think it would just bounce. I really don't think this would come apart. But anyway, yeah, so that's first looks of the GAN 460, first few moves and my initial thoughts. I'm not too big on 4x4, like I say. I can do a 3x3 scramble. Only because the centers and the last 2 edges, and if I get parity, it's just gonna make for a very long video. Okay, so let's have a little look. Oh, what am I doing? I'm watching my camera rather than my hands, which is, it's just so awkward when I come to do this because I'm not used to it. Oh, yeah, see, look, like. Okay, I'm watching my hands now. I can't not watch my hands when I do this. There we go. Whew, blimey, okay. Maybe I should do that again, actually watch my hands. But okay, you know, I do like the outer layers, the inner layers, like I say, I haven't really done much of. But yeah, I think people will like this. Can't see why they wouldn't. Yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. I will see you in the next one. This is available to purchase on the KewbzUK website. I'm going to practice some 4x4 now so I can actually do a few. In fact, I'm going to take this home. I'm going to take this home. I promise you, I will do solves on this tonight. I will get, I don't know, I'll get a little bit better than, well, I can't get any worse really on 4x4. I'll learn them 2 parity algs and I will just get a bit proficient, I guess. I use like the Redux method, so I really should learn Yao. It's just, I think, finding time between shipping orders and everything else. I don't have much time to actually sit down along with like doing the website and everything. So I will sit down at some point. Maybe I'll like dedicate a week to 4x4 and really have some fun. But yeah, thank you for watching, guys. We will see you in the next video, and let me know what you want to see or what we should go over in the future in these sorts of videos. Yeah, thank you, guys.